Okay, so it says solve this equation using the square root property. If possible, simplify radicals. All answers should be exact. I'm assuming this says b plus 3 squared equals 26. Otherwise, there would be no use of the square root property. Okay, so the idea is you want to isolate whatever value contained in parentheses is being squared. And so that's already done. So now it's a matter of taking the square root of each side. But it's important to remember that when you do this, you must write plus or minus. The reason is because you're taking a root where the index is even. So the square root, the index is not typically written ever, but it's understood to be a 2. It's the square root. So if this were b plus 3 to the 4th power or the 6th power, and you were to take the 4th root or the 6th root respectively of each side, you would have to remember to write plus or minus. Okay, so from here, the square root undoes the squaring operation for the left-hand side, leaving simply b plus 3. And so we have b plus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 26. And then now to isolate b completely, we would subtract 3 from each side. So b is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 26. And the directions do say, if possible, simplify radicals. So to know if this can be simplified, we're going to write the radicand 26 off to the side, and we're going to break it down. And what you do is, okay, smallest prime number, that's a factor of 26, which is 2. And so 2 and 13 make 26. So these are the prime factors of 26. So 26 is equal to 2 times 13. So there's no way to simplify this value any further than it already is written. So your final response for this particular problem is to say b is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 26.